Ding na sama na touch tele. Ani dringi longi di. Ani inji lokdang lo chikola yins. Lasos. Long ago, in a small house near the forest, there lived a little girl with her mother. Her name was Little Red Riding Hood. One day her mother said, "Grandma is sick. She is in bed. Go to her house. In the basket, there a bottle of fresh milk, some bread, and some butter for her." Little Red Riding Hood immediately set out to Grandma's house. But the forest, she met a hungry wolf. "Where are you going?" said the wolf. "To see my grandmother's," said innocent Little Red Riding Hood. "She's sick. I have some milk, bread, butter for her." "Pick some flour," said the wolf, and he ran to Grandma's house. The wolf got to Grandma's house. He went tap, tap, tap on the door. "Who is this?" asked Grandma. "It's me, Little Red Riding Hood," said the wolf. "I have some milk, bread, and butter for you." "Open the door and come in, my dear," said Grandma. The wolf opened the door and inside he ate her up. Then he got into Grandma's bed to wait for Little Red Riding Hood. Little Red Riding Hood got to Grandma's house. She went tap, 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 open the door. "Who is this?" asked the wolf. "It's me, Little Red Riding Hood. I have some milk, bread, and butter for you, and some flour. Open the door and come in, my dear," said the wolf. Little Red Riding Hood was surprised. Grandma looked so different. Grinny. "What big eyes you have," she said. "All the butter to ear you with," said the wolf, grinning. "What big eyes you have," she said. "All the better to see you with," said the wolf, grinning. "What a big nose you have," she said. "All the better you smell you with," said the wolf, grinning. "What a big mouth you have," she said. "All the better to eat you with," said the wolf. And in the inside, he ate her up. A woodcutter was around in the forest. He stopped the wolf inside Grandma's house. He opened the door and he split the wolf open. Happy Little Red Riding Hood and Happy Grandmas sprang out. And lasso tearing something shawayins and long the apple soin, Yabjunanas to che.